Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just imagine you gaze up at the night sky and spot two light orbs above you rather than just one moon. Have you ever wondered how would a second moon affect life on Earth? In the solar system, our Moon-Earth system is very unique. The other moons are only about 3 by 10,000 the mass of their planet, whereas our moon is 1/81st the mass of Earth. The size of the moon plays a significant role in the complex life on Earth. In the early development of life on Earth, the high tides stirred up the primordial soup. It's also the reason why our day is 24 hours long. It provides light for a variety of animals that hunt and live during the night. It keeps our planet's axis inclined at the same angle, giving rise to a consistent cycle of seasons. A second moon would change that. The two-mooned Earth system is extensively explored by Neil Comins, a physics professor at the University of Maine and author of the book What If the Earth Had Two Moons? The second moon, which we will call Luna, sits halfway between the Earth and the Moon. Luna's arrival would wreak havoc on Earth. The Earth would be pulled by its gravity, causing increased volcanic activity, earthquakes, and massive tsunamis. Earth would experience a mass extinction due to the raining chemicals and ash. But after some time, the Earth would adjust to its two moons, giving life a chance to arise. The tides on the two-mooned Earth would be 8 times higher than the tides created by one moon. Additionally, erosion problems would be more severe and happen significantly more quickly than they do now. This would have a significant impact on our civilization's ability to dwell and develop beside rivers' mouths or beaches. In the latter case, deeply carved tidal channels would cause tidal waves known as tidal bores to run up the mouths of rivers, submerging anything that stands in their way. With stronger erosion and higher tides, we would have to develop different methods to travel and transfer goods in the ocean. Thus, a considerably smaller area of Earth would be habitable. The two moons would create nighttime 5 times brighter than it is with a single full moon, and this would be sufficiently bright to read a book without the need for further light. Because of their different orbital periods, there would be fewer fully dark nights on Earth. Brighter nights would also impact how animals and people behave in prey-predator cycles. Nocturnal hunters would have an easier time seeing their prey, and the camouflage might become more refined for those seeking survival. The eclipses would be more regular when Luna is closer to Earth. There would be an eclipse every month or every orbit of that moon. Whereas larger solar eclipses would last slightly less time than those we currently experience. The measure of time would also be different, as the timekeeping unit of a month is based on the lunar cycles. Our moon takes approximately 29.5 days to complete a lunar cycle. Luna would also go through the same cycle of phases in only 10 days. The cycle would be so rapid that we would be able to see Luna in different phases within one day or evening. For a civilization with two moons, a system of full and partial months would be necessary to account for the movement of two moons. If Luna had a non-circular orbit, the gravitational pull it would experience might result in a moon covered with volcanoes. The change in distance from Earth would cause Luna to experience many eruptions, and some volcanic debris might also leave the Luna's surface and be shot into space, either entering Earth's atmosphere or forming a debris field around Earth. The former would cause more frequent shooting stars than any meteor showers we currently experience, and more possible meteorite impacts. Luna and Moon would eventually collide and would be receding from Earth. When they finally collided, debris would pour through Earth's atmosphere, causing yet another mass extinction. One moon circling the Earth would be the end outcome, and a new era of life would be ready to begin. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and healthy.